Alright, Danny's rt81 Corona. Dropped it off to get a 13B Bridgeport, and it is very original, very clean, very tidy car. Vinyl roof, love that, that's awesome. I don't reckon he really loves lawn bowls. Yeah, that will be cool with old school Bridgeport in there. The old Corona 4-speed. We'll got to make an adapter plate. Well, actually, we'll buy an adapter plate for that one. Should be able to get an adapter plate for that. Go to a Mazda bell housing, make it easy. All right, I'll drive this in. Jordan can pull the motor out, and I'll start putting his engine together. Okay, so we'll start assembling the engine for Danny's Corona. As you can see, it's a beautiful, original looking car, and I think the just an aspirated 13B Bridgeport, I think it'll really wake it up and make it an enjoyable car to drive. So the engine's already been ported, all the machine work's already been done, the assembly's been balanced. Not really any point showing you any of that stuff, it's all pretty boring, and I don't think anybody wants to listen to a diamond grinder screaming its lungs out for a couple of hours while we cut some slots. But I'll show you where we are up to. Okay, so it's a Series 4 FC engine, turbo engine. We've cut the Bridgeport in it. It's a reasonably large bridge. It'll give him plenty of pulse that he asked for, and generally it'll probably make around 200 to 220 horsepower at the wheels. So we've got new bearings in the front and rear stationary gears, new rotor bearings. We're actually using FD rotors in this engine. A little bit lighter, low compression, but they are lighter and they'll just spin up a bit faster. We've got our Atkins solid corner seal, we've got power seals, side seals, and of course we use our Pro seals for the apex seals. All new springs, oil control ring springs and O-rings. Yeah, pretty simple, basic sort of build. This will keep it plenty reliable, and yeah, I think he'll enjoy it. Probably gets a little bit boring watching the engines go together, so I'll just set this up on a time lapse and shoot some shots, and we'll put this into the video. Everyone's sort of seen these things go together a million times before. So I'll put this down, we'll get started, I'll shoot a couple of snaps along the way, and yeah, we'll get it together. Okay, so that's Danny's Bridgeport all done. Wanted the housings and the alloys painted the same colour as the car, so that's what we've done. It's come up quite nice. Looks very, very bright on camera, but it's more of a really, I don't know, I guess a 72 era orange, nowhere near as bright as what it seems on camera. So that's all done. Tomorrow we'll put the auxiliaries on, put the front pulley set on, got a Weber, got to get some modules for the Dizzy, and I'll put an alternator on it. I should better get an alternator. And yeah, then that'll be ready to fit up in the car, and we'll start on the fuel system and wiring, and we'll fire it up.